Organic marketing is dead. For grow a brand, you have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in ads or in marketing. That's 100% right, but not for Pinterest. Today I'm going to show you how we have gained 150,000 of sales just from Pinterest with 100% organic marketing. We didn't even spend a single dollar on Pinterest ads. Yes, you heard it right. We have gained $150,000 of sales just from Pinterest organic marketing. I'm talking about this women's fashion brand, and on this brand we have spent 15,000 on Pinterest ads and got $120,000 of sales. But in terms of the organic marketing, we didn't even spend a single dollar but got 150,000 of sales. Just imagine. Now I'm gonna share my screen and show you A to Z how I did it, how you can implement to your account, and I'm gonna show you the real numbers, exactly the real data. Hey, I'm Javed, owner and founder of Grow Pinterest. Grow Pinterest is a Pinterest marketing management service agency. Since 2020, we have been helping businesses grow their brand on Pinterest and makes millions plus of sales just from Pinterest ads. If you wanna grow your business on Pinterest, feel free to connect with me. Thank you. So here you can see this is the account I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you on this account what I have did and what the main key point you need to work on. At the very beginning, you need to make sure that you give it a clear name, a proper profile picture and cover photo, and you need to make sure your bio is fully clear. You are clearly mentioned that what you are exactly selling. So this is the account, and we are clearly mentioned whenever any customer visit the profile, they can clearly understand that's what our product is and what our category of the product is. So it's very important. So this is the first thing you need to make sure: the profile and the cover photo and the name title. It's very important thing. Name, title and bio also. And the second thing is domain verification. Well, if you have a Shopify and WordPress website, then it's a very simple thing. Well, if you have a Shopify, you just need to install Pinterest apps and simply connect your Pinterest account very easily. And if you have a WordPress, it's very simple thing. You just need to add a plugin called Pinterest and connect your Pinterest account with the website. That's it. And the third one is boards. Every categories of product you have, you need to make sure that every single categories of product you have in your website, you have a board of it. So let's say if we talk about the best seller, the festival clothing. On the festival clothing, you need to make a board. So here you can see boho primos, festival. So we made for the party dress, boho summer outfits. So you need to make sure every board you are making is on the every category of product you have in your website. This is our one of the board, and we made sure our keyword is perfect. We did research our keyword, and whenever people search about this outfit, there's a very high chance that these boards can rank on the Google search or in Pinterest search. So whenever you see our board is well optimized, description is fully optimized with keyword and the hashtags. So whenever anyone search related to our boards, first of all, our boards will rank. If our boards rank, here we have 11 pins. Combined with that, our 11 content will rank together. So here you can see on this content we got 199 views. This way actually we grow organically. And the fourth is pin. So we make sure every single pin is well optimized. Let's say this content we made sure. So if we see name title, we try to add 3 to 4 keyword. All the keyword, it's not Google keyword, it's Pinterest keywords. Pinterest is not really a social media. It's a search engine. It's a visual search engine. So people search after visualizing the product. So you need to keep in mind that it's a search engine. So we tried a proper name title and a proper description. With this whole description, we talk about the product. We try to add some of the keyword. Here you can see festival wedding. So we try to implement some of the keyword. So if anyone search, easily we can get ranked. So here you can see we got some of the top performing hashtag also. It's not really important, but in our case, we try to implement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of hashtags. Whenever if you don't wanted to use hashtags, then that's totally fine. And number 5, and the reason why you are here is a number. So if we simply go to Pinterest ad account overview, so here you can see the Pinterest ad account overview. If we just simply reload it, so we spend it, basically it's not dollar, it's in SEK, Swedish dollar. So we have spent 15,000 and got 127,000 of sales. Our ROE is below 10. Our ROE is normally 8.37. Here you can see. And if we talk about the last 60 days, so in last 60 days here you can see we have 25,000 and got 239,000 of sales. So let's jump right into the main organic marketing. So here you can see the conversion insight. So we simply go to the conversion insight. So on the conversion insight, you can see born in Stockholm. You can see born in Stockholm. Here we have the organic result, right? So here you can see the organic marketing. So in organic 3.2 ratio. So you can see in organic we have got 150,000 of revenue. Average order is 3,000. As you know, the product is a bit of expensive. We got 45 checkouts and our add to cart is around 337. Just imagine 337 add to cart. That means more sales are on the way and 10,000 of website visit. I wanted to say this thing is Pinterest is really good place for organic marketing. I will definitely suggest try organic marketing. Give it a little bit of effort to organic marketing. Minimum upload 5 to 6 contents per day. And make sure if you are uploading 2-3 content, that's enough, but just make sure you are adding proper keyword, Pinterest research keyword, because Pinterest is a search engine. So here you can see our organic content. If we just check about the impression, so here you can see we got 223 impression, 47, 39, 38. All the content is very good. So if we just see the content, we made the content as I mentioned before, the proper name, title, proper keyword, proper description, proper hashtags, and on the keyword we got 38,000 and 140 people saved this content for future purchase. I'll definitely recommend try organic marketing on Pinterest rather than Facebook and Instagram. Pinterest give you 5, 6, 10 times better result on organic marketing. So yeah, as you know, Pinterest is a search engine, so definitely we need to rank on the search engine. Our main purpose of our service is to rank our content to the search list. So we implement organic marketing and paid marketing together and get an amazing result. So here it is. If you think this video helped you and if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.